Our SURG Mathematics channel. In today's class, I am discussing multiple choice questions of mathematics. So 1 to 25 questions already I uploaded in my previous videos. So in today's class, I am discussing the questions from 26. Okay, question number 26. If the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 5n plus 3, then third term of the AP is an is equal to 5n plus 3. So for n is equal to 1, a1 is the first term. Yes, 5 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. a2 means n is equal to 2. It is 5 into 2 plus 3 is 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Now the common difference is a2 minus a1, that is 13 minus 8 is 5. Now a3, third term, a plus 2d. So a is 8 plus 2, d is 5. 8 plus 10 is equal to 18. So answer option B, that is 18. Question number 2. The value of sin 30 plus cos 60 is. So sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degree. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. And again the cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Is equal to 2 LCM 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2 is 1. So option D. Question number 3. The formula to find the sum of the first n terms of an AP whose first term is A and the last term is AN. Last term AN. So Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket A plus AN. This is the formula for that. So it is to find the sum of n terms. Question number 4. If the lines drawn to the linear equations of the type a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are coincident on each other, then the correct relation among the following is. So condition for coincident is ratios must be equal. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Yes, this is the correct answer. All ratios are equal for coincident. Question number 5. In the following figure, PA, PC and CD are the tangents drawn to a circle of center O. If AP, here AP is 3 cm and CD is 5 cm, then the length of PC is PC is equal to PB plus BC. Here CD is equal to BC because these two are tangents are equal. And next same thing, AP is also equal to BP, that is also equal to 3 cm because tangents are equal. Then PC is equal to PB plus BC. BP is 3 cm, BC is 5 cm is equal to 8 cm. So option C. Question number 6. If 2 sin theta is equal to root 3, then the value of theta is. Yes, 2 sin theta is equal to root 3. Then sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. That is equal to sin 60 degree. Yes, theta is equal to 60 degree. So option B. Question number 7. The value of tan square 60 plus 2 tan square 45 is. So tan square 60 degree plus 2 tan square 45 degree is equal to tan 60 value is root 3 whole square plus 2 tan 45 degree is 1 whole square. So it is 3 answer, it gets cancelled, plus 2 into 1, that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Answer A. Question number 8. Formula for curved surface area of a frustum of a cone is, the formula is pi bracket r1 plus r2 into L. Option C. Question number 9. The 8th term of an AP is 17 and its 14th term is 29. The common difference of the AP is, 8th term means A8 is equal to A plus 7D, that is equal to 17. So here A is equal to 17 minus 7D, equation number 1. Now 14th term, A14 is equal to A plus 13D. So now A is, that is equal to 29. It is given in the question itself. It's now 29 minus 13D, equation 2, from 1 and 2. Here it is A, here also it is A. So now these two are equal. 17 minus 7D is equal to 29 minus 13D. Yes, I am sending 13D to LHS. That comes with positive sign. And 13D minus 7D is equal to 29 minus 17. 13 minus 7 is 6D is equal to 12. So D is equal to 12 by 6. 6 1 is 6 2. So common difference D is equal to 2. So answer B. Question number 10. The sum of first n odd natural numbers is, the formula is Sn, odd numbers is equal to n square. Option A. Question number 11. If cos 40 plus x is equal to sin 30 degree, then x is equal to. So here cos 40 plus x is equal to sin 30 degree. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. Here sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, then cos 40 plus x is equal to half. It is cos 60 degree. So which implies 40 plus x is equal to 60 degree. I am sending 40 to RHS. So 60 minus 40 is equal to 20 degree. So answer A. Question number 12. The area of the circle is 220 centimeter square. The area of a square inscribed in it is. So it is a circle of square 220. So area of circle is equal to 220 centimeter square. So using this we can find radius, value of radius. Formula A by pi. So that is 220 divided by pi means 22 by 7. I am taking here. So 22 on the 10, that is square root of 70 centimeter is the radius. Now we want diagonal. So that is AC is equal to diagonal 2R, that is 2 into square root of 70 centimeter. Now we find side of the square. So it is 90 degree. Square means it is a 90 degree now. So it is a hypotenuse is equal to sum of 2. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. In square both are same now. So AB square plus I am taking again AB square. That is 2AB square. So AC means 2 root 70 whole square. It is 4 into 70 by 2 is equal to AB square. So 2 1s are 2s are. So now AB square is equal to 140. AB is equal to square root of 140. It is a side of the square. Now area of square is equal to side into side. So that is square root of 140 into square root of 140. So answer 140, that is equal to, so same 140 centimeter square. So square means the number same it will come now, same 140 centimeter square. So answer is C. Question number 13. One of the methods of the determining mode is. So relation between mean, median and mode is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. But we want now mode. So mode is equal to 3 median. I am sending these 2 mean to LHS, means minus 2 mean. So which is the now correct answer? It is C. This is the correct option. Question number 14. The ratio of the volumes of two spheres is 8:27. The ratio between their surface areas is. Here the ratio between two spheres, volumes of two spheres is 4/3 pi r1 cube divided by 4/3 pi r2 cube. Yes. Now this is equal to 8/27. Yes, they are given in the question. So now get cancelled, pi and pi. So this can be written as 2 cube divided by 3 cube. Yes, which implies r1 by r2 is equal to 2/3. But we want surface areas. Now A1 by A2 is equal to 4 pi r1 square divided by 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi which is equal to r1 by r2 whole square. It is nothing but a 2/3 whole square, because it is r1 by r2 is 2/3. Now it is 4/9. So option 4:9. So D is the correct answer. Question number 15. The discriminant of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 is. So I am writing the quadratic equation here. 3x square minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to minus 2. So discriminant delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. B square is minus 4 whole square 4. A is 3, C it is minus 2. So now 4 square is 16, minus into minus plus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 equal to 40. So discriminant is 40. A option is the correct answer. Up to this, stop the video. Remaining questions I will teach in next class. Thank you.